LECFC News Update.
Shalom! Isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Narito po ako upang manatid sa inyo ng mga balita mula sa loob at labas ng ating iglesia. Ako po si Ira at ito po ang LECFC News Update. Praise God! Dahil patuloy pa rin po ang ating music school dito sa ating iglesia. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating Sergio Leaders Training dito sa ating iglesia tuwing linggo, 1:00 hanggang 3:00 ng hapon. Kaya kita-kits po mga kapatid!
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. For the young people, the youth service is for you, 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday. Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka ng kinabibilangan. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month after our morning service. Huwag kalimutan! For all the church workers, don't forget our workers' fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another.
And so you put in the faith for their ways, and the good man rewarded for his. Proverbs 14:14. Kaya God bless po sa inyo mga kapatid, at see you next week for another exciting edition of LECFC News Update. Shalom!
LECFC News